Good morning, federal family. Are you refreshing your inbox every 5 seconds waiting to hear if your job is safe? Let's break down today's make or break court deadlines under 3 minutes and why we might hear today or maybe later this week or even next week. Please double tap to get the word out and comment below. Do you think this RIF situation could have been handled better by the agencies? Is there a legitimate reason for the way leadership has handled this situation? Are you committed to following along until the end? So first up, the nationwide RIF injunction, AFGE versus Trump in the Ninth Circuit, that's now before the Supreme Court. Judge Ilston's order froze every reduction force tied to Executive Order 14210. Employee briefs before the Supreme Court are due today. That's the last word workers get before the courts decides whether thousands of separations are going to stay on ice. But here's what most headlines also have missed. The Department of Education injunction just landed at the Supreme Court too, and the employee side briefs are due June 13th. Same playbook, smaller target. It blocks layoffs and program transfers at the Department of Education. How are they like? Both challenge layoffs driven by the administration. Both say the president and administration overstepped statutes Congress wrote. Both courts said pause the pink slips, irreparable harm to employees. How are they different? The Ninth Circuit covers 20 plus agencies. The First Circuit covers only education. The Ninth Circuit panel split 2-1. The First Circuit was a 3-0 unanimous smackdown against the administration. So the government's play in SCOTUS argues essentially national security and management chaos. Employees argue constitutional hard stop. There's also a Fourth Circuit ruling that district courts have jurisdiction over certain claims that would normally go before the MSPB because of what the administration has done to those processes. So what's the timeline? Employee side briefs are due today in the nationwide RIF case. The Ninth Circuit merits hearing is likely in a month or so. The Supreme Court could rule on the DOE stay any day too, even while you're watching this. This means agencies might flip from frozen to full steam with 30 days notice or less. So what's your playbook right now? We'll screenshot your RIF notice and deadlines. Make sure you have a copy of that. Keep your SF50s, ratings, and leave records in one PDF and in writing. Review them. Get your retention registers registered, if appropriate, for CTAP or ICTAP. And map your retirement or severance options. Also stay plugged in, union emails, the news, our channel here. Do you also need one-on-one strategy from me? We've opened a handful of slots this month and some are still open. You can head to fedlegalhelp.com/strategy. It's $350. Upload your docs, answer a bunch of questions, get on my calendar. Prefer phone and then call the firm, the number's in the bio. Remember, knowledge beats panic, and please follow us for rapid updates. Share this with a coworker who's stressing, and we'll see you when the courts speak. Stay mission ready, take care, and thank you for your support.